dinner at Summer House on the Lake.
Which I've never been to before.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
know you have.
Just
but
one time though, but I'm excited to try everything else, try more cocktails and everything. But also we're gonna go to some of our favorite spots in Disney Springs. I know we have like different places that I think things I always go to. Probably you too.
Yeah, there's more to Disney Springs than just going to the big Disney stores. So
100%.
we're going to show you some of those different kinds of places.
Some little hidden gems, if you will, that sometimes people don't think walk around and actually see what's here. So we're gonna do that, and then tonight we are so excited. We are gonna see the drone show, which is called
Dreams That Soar.
Dreams That Soar. I cannot, for the life of me, remember that title, but we're gonna see that. We're excited to kind of see that it's gonna be on the water. So I have had a little preview online to see, but I don't know if you've seen any more.
I didn't do any sneak previews prior.
Smart.
So it's going to be completely new
Smart.
to me.
Smart. That's how life should be, a surprise. So we're excited. So we're going to take you around and show you around. Show you Disney Springs through our eyes.
Yep, let's go.
go-tos that I just found out, I guess, last year? Yeah, last year. And the cocktail is frozen Dole Whip. This one right here.
unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
The Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's our moon. It's a space station.